Okay, so we're just gonna walk. This is you can have breakfast up here, and there's like a good view from this building right here, and then you can walk all the way down there. So we're gonna go from here all the way down. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so let's start our walk, and it has a little bit of a jungle feel all the way up there. There's like buses that go by up there, and this is you can see this little establishment right here, and you can eat meals up there, restaurant, and all your little streetlights here too. So we're going down to Cheoc. So we're just walking down from that view, and those are some of the rooms right there. So you can actually get rooms in this place too. So they get breakfast, lunch, dinner, whatever, drinks. There's like a little bar up there, and there's also these hotel rooms with these little balconies that overlook the water. And this is called I think I'll have the name of it up here. It's called Posada de Coloane, I believe. Beautiful flowers, and then right here is the entrance to this, and there's the beach view. One of the first beach views you might have. There's the balconies of this place. Looks pretty cool already. And here's the name. So if anybody wants to stay, best beach hotel in Macau. And now we're gonna go straight down here. There's a marina right there. And the beach is right there. The buses are go up there. Okay, let's head on down here. And Cheoc Beach. There's a marina right there. Got your little kayaks and your boats and your cars for the parking lot, so that people can get close to the water. And I think we're gonna go directly to the water itself. So Cheoc Beach. Looks nice. Not many people here today. It's morning time. The water's quite close at this time as well. There you go. Just kind of get a little bit closer to the water. We'll jump in here. It's like that must be the little swimming. So I guess that's the one swimming area that you can do for some reason, where that one lady is at. Got a nice little view over here that overlooks this. And there's not too many people today, so I just want to give you a little taste of it, and but at least now you can kind of see what it looks like. And over there is where we started, right there. So we just basically went up that driveway and then we walked down it. Now you can see like all these places and the view that they got as well. Pretty amazing. And there we go, Cheoc Beach, Macau. Chiquinha, chiquinha, toma cuidado da bovidinha.